so cái dog arok e dami là hay do là nó do cái so cái dog arong yo đây
Long te
anh kêu là nilia budi kêu là phen lo là so thế so là anh long pon ni kêu là anh arong the bang ke ada cái tong pati dam dia pot cipaduk de lo là sisia budi lo là bang ke là so arong attack aruan mang ke penam mang ke rot pong dia pede là sila attack aru ba pon pe lo yo đây
đây họ
có là so nak thak sia là ta munai at pede là lang nang pok lo so di mang ba pu là arong thi dam de chi de yong he non thi the lo bari kha ke to choi bo có là tầm tay pon dia nó pa checking pon ha có là pen sia level ôi đẹp là putame moi si ada pancing yok thupu ke ba ke pading ke pati bangena tu mau pol de ba mo moreng dia là da bang ke la mo ko sonok sa son e kat dal kolom pat kolom puson la ke pakap oi ta dak bas cái pon ta yang chop tu chop po la mo hat la dak seklem nam po chop po di ke pat to yo he no reng nam ve ki ke le ke apa na oi ta la nang li ri ke odan he dam
đi thích thì mấy rồi hai con
to cái là ruan cái vải nó po For it's very heavy to carry it, so I am taking only 4 plants. See how I am struggling to carry it. I have to go up the hill. All these are oranges plants with betel nut plants also planted in this hilly or a little slopey area. There I am on the middle of the hill. I am taking a little rest. Again I am going up to the hill. I have to plant there. From the middle of the orchard, these are the trees of oranges and betel nuts. So in the nursery of betel nut, I am cleaning the grass. From the top you can see the garden of oranges and betel nut. Now I am digging the pit for planting the oranges. I am untying it. All these are the betel nuts, small plants that I have planted in the last year. And the grown-ups are there. Not many betel nuts, but it's going on to be planted. You see how I use this method to plant the small oranges plant. Now I am trimming or cutting the upper part to make the sprout in a table level. the cut portion I am using a little mud to retain its moisture or to avoid the damage from the rain water. You can adjust the hole, how much deep you can make or how shallow you can, according to the plot of the land. You have to make the hole filled with mud and have to be kept very tight not to get the air inside the hole. For the easy grow of it or to block the sun scorching heat, this the another plant that I'm planting. I'm making the hole or pit. Now I'm making tight with the mud. And I'm using this dead leaves for protection of the sunlight. And as a manure you can use also. And I'm trimming or cutting the thorns because the plant with the seed, it has many thorns, so it makes difficult for one to hold with one's hand or to climb when it's grown, when the oranges plants grow into a big tree. It is very difficult to climb on it because of many thorns all the around the stem, or all the branches have many thorns. So from the very young age, cutting the thorns. After 1 or 2 years you can do this, removing all the thorns of the orange plant. Now it's summertime, one has not to get afraid that the plant will get die. It will positively or these are the view of the garden from the middle or from the up of the hill. I'm trimming the oranges small plant. So the plant grows into a spiral type or manner. Another advantage of pruning is that it won't grow into a tall tree. It will be a dwarf, so it will be easy for plucking the oranges.